Hey guys, Fran here, back with another video. So before we go any further, you guys know the drill. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for being here. I'm so thankful and grateful for each and every one of you. So today, what I want to talk about is your energetic field, and are you energetically aligned with the universe to get what you desire? Or are you sending out the energetic vibes to attract what you desire? Are you working with the universe, or are you working against the universe? Let's talk about that. So, as you guys know, your girl loves woo-woo. I'm all about the woo-woo. Love the woo-woo. And I love to talk about the energy that we're projecting and this goddess energy that we as women have that we project into the universe, right? Now, here's the thing though. Sometimes when we are sending this energy out into the universe, we're sending out this lower vibrational energy of, yeah, I'm just here. It's just me. Yeah, hi, my name is Fran. And yeah, I'm here. I have some things I'd like to do in this world, and I have some things I'd like to have in this world, but don't know if I'm going to have those. But anyway, here I am. We kind of energetically vibrating at this kind of lower level, like we're just kind of mediocre. So we're sending signals out into the universe. We're sending kind of these mediocre signals out. Kind of like when you're praying and you're begging, please, 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 God. Oh, please, Father, I need you. I just want you. Please, 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 do it, do it, do it. That's coming from a place of lack. It's coming from like this lack mentality and this lack vibration. So what you're going to be attracting back to yourself is this lack vibration. But when you are energetically standing in your power and owning your power and owning all of this goddess energy that you have been given, when you are vibrating and radiating at a frequency that commands attention, when you walk into a room, people can feel your presence. They can feel you before you even speak. Then you are energetically aligned with goodness, power, fast attracting, high vibration. You notice that circumstances changes, your intentions are happening quick. People want to know who you are. You can't even get to your seat sometimes before people come over and say, hey, how you doing? I was in a conference a couple of weekends ago, and I remember walking into this conference. Now, I don't know how many of you follow me on Instagram, but if you do, then you know you don't get a lot of whole full body shots on YouTube. And maybe I'll start teaching and standing up, and you will. But check me out on Instagram. I'm about 5'11", and I'm a fuller figure woman, and I am not super young, right? I like to say that because I get a lot of people who email me and say, you know, I'm pushing 40s or I'm in my 40s, and I'm like, you better enjoy those 40s. Think about all them people who didn't even make it to the 40s, okay? Own all of that. All right, I'm back though. So I walk into this conference, and I think I told you guys in videos before, it took me till I was in my 30s to really own all of this. I was always very confident in myself, but struggled with the self-esteem component sometimes. I am the tallest of my sisters. I am the fullest of my sisters. So I was always different and didn't always embrace those differences well. But, you know, I did some work on myself. And found out that, you know, God don't make no mistakes in how He creates you. This is our temple. We, of course, have to take care of it, and we have to be healthy, and we need to take care of our bodies. However, your statute, God didn't make no mistake in that. So I walked in the room, And I remember walking in the room, and I was one of the few women of color in the room. I was probably three. There was probably three of us. And I remember walking into the room, and as I walked into the door, because, you know, I am full of my affirmations every day. And I am always affirming my beauty and my power and how God moves through me and how I have this goddess energy and I am powerful and I am beautiful and I am in control and I am destined for greatness and that I find favor everywhere I go, right? So I've already filled myself up with all of my goodness that morning. And I walk in and I love heels. Like I'm 5'11", but I walk into the event about 6'3" because I love my heels. Don't judge me. And so I walked into the event and the lady took my hand and said, I'm going to take you up to the front. And I remember thinking, okay. So I stood up as straight as I could stand and I walked through and I smiled and almost every head in the room turned. And I learned something a long time ago. A lot of times when people say, oh my God, you're so beautiful. Oh my God, you're so pretty. Oh my God, you're amazing. What it is that they are sensing in you is the presence of God that is beautiful. They're attracted to your light. Yes, of course, we're all physically beautiful. Every single one of us are beautiful. Don't let nobody tell you different. You are gorgeous. You are beautiful. You are amazing. But the thing that attracts people to you, that makes them want to know you, makes them want to get close to you, makes them want to know about you, is the light of God that's in you. It's that light that you're radiating, that goddess energy, right, that you're projecting into the room. So if I was to walk into that room and be like, oh God, no, don't take me to the middle. I don't want people to really see me. I'll just sit back here in the corner. Don't worry about it. I'm good. Then I would have attracted vibrational aligned energy of other people who felt like, that's okay, I'll just play small, right? I'll just play small. Listen, it is time out for playing small. You have got to embrace your energy and you have got to send it out with confidence, right? You have to unapologetically step into the place and say, I'm here. Yes, world, I desire it. This is my intention, universe. This is what I am designed to do, and this is what I am designed to be, and this is what I am designed to have. And I want to be energetically aligned so that I can do just that. So that I can do just that. What are you sending out? What are you projecting? How are you showing up in the world? Alright, so I've been telling you guys about this giveaway that I am going to have. And since the month of April has been so wonderful to me, I want to bless you guys and be so wonderful to you. So the first thing I'm going to do is give away one of our More Money kits. Should be a picture coming up about now. It includes the money candle, the citrine crystal, affirmations, a citrine bracelet, money herbs, and a money spray. I'm going to give that away to 2 people, and the way that you enter to win that is to like and share this video and then comment on this video. The second thing I am going to give away, drum roll please, is a trip to California, all expenses paid, to do a 3-day intense with me. So I do intense with my clients. With my VIP clients, I do weekend intense. Sometimes I go to California, sometimes we go to Arizona. It just depends. This time we're gonna go to California. I will fly you to California. I will pay for your stay for the 3 days. You have to pay for your food, but I will pay for your stay and your flight, and you will get to spend 3 wonderful days with me working on whatever it is you feel like you need to work on. There'll be 2 other people there that are VIP clients, so it'll be a total of 4 of us, and it will be an amazing time. We'll be in Santa Monica, California. And the way that you enter that, and I will also leave all of this below, is that you have to like and share this video, you have to subscribe, and then you have to tell me why you think it would be beneficial for you to spend 3 days with me. Now listen, let me just say this, y'all. Don't enter this contest just because you want to come to California. Because when I say intense, it's intense. We're going to work. So we'll be working from 9 to 5. If you choose to chill with me after 5 o'clock, you're more than welcome to. But then you have from 5 to 9 that next day to do whatever you want. Also on Sunday, from 9 to 1. So you can have from 1 until you leave to do whatever you want. If you choose to stay an extra day, that is your choice. If you win this trip to California, you're coming to do some work. You're coming to work on all things spiritual, manifesting and creating. We'll have some good intentional conversations. And whatever it is that you feel that you want to work on. Here's the thing. The reason why I'm doing this is because I feel like when you are so blessed, when your life is blessed, you should bless someone else's life. And this is on top of my tithing. So I'm not putting this giveaway and gifts in the place of my tithing. It's on top of my tithing because I want to continue to be blessed, and it is my way of saying thank you. Thank you to God, thank you to the universe, thank you to my angels, and thank you to you. Alright guys, I look forward to getting those emails and to seeing you in California. We're going to have so much fun, and I will talk to you later. Remember, be careful what kind of energy you're putting into the universe. Bye for now.